Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching VirtualBox and clicking New. You choose a clear name and select the correct OS type and version because VirtualBox optimizes defaults that way. Next, allocate RAM and CPU, give enough for the guest but leave room for your host. Once done, create a virtual hard disk. Pick VDI for general use or VMDK for interoperability, then choose dynamic or fixed storage. Make sure your ISO is accessible so you can attach it in the next step. Now go into Settings for the VM and Open System and Storage tabs. In System, set the boot order and fine-tune chipset and acceleration options. Enable VTX/AMDV if your CPU supports it so the guest runs performant. In Processor, add cores but avoid starving the host. In Storage, attach the ISO to the virtual optical drive and confirm controller type, SATA or IDE matches the disk. Once attached, review network, USB, and shared folder settings. Configure NAT or bridged mode, depending on whether you want. Start the VM and run through the OS installer as you would on physical hardware, partitioning the virtual disk and setting credentials. After the OS is installed and rebooted, insert guest additions from the Devices menu to enable better display, clipboard, and folder sharing. Install drivers inside the guest for optimal performance. Once done, take a snapshot for a clean restore point. If the VM won't boot, make sure the ISO isn't corrupted. Virtualization is enabled in BIOS, and the storage controller matches the virtual disk format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.